Welcome to step 2 of section 4 on maximizing your earnings. In this step, we're going to be talking about how to choose and where to go for high paying states and cities in your profession. So, in terms of high paying therapy states, as of 2018, these are the best places to go: Nevada, Alaska, California, Texas, New Jersey, and Maryland in terms of earnings. Now, if you want to look at cities, these are the highest paying therapy metropolitan cities: San Francisco, California, Bethesda, Maryland, Edison, New Jersey, Oakland, California, and Lake County, Wisconsin. That's a mouthful. Now, here's a little secret though. It's not just about the money and about the highest paying states and cities, but it's actually about the total package. You want to look at the salary, the cost of living, and the lifestyle. Because, for example, if you have a high salary, say in San Francisco, there's also an extremely expensive cost of living there, which sort of balances out the earnings, leaving you with not much left over. Versus Bakersfield, California, for example, that actually provides a high salary but a low cost of living, essentially actually earning you much more than if you were to move to San Francisco. So it's all about finding a place that has the blend of the total package: salary, cost of living, and lifestyle. You may earn more in a lower paying state, like I said, because of this better cost of living. So here are the key questions to determine the cost of living for the cities you're looking at. You want to look at how much money do the therapists or healthcare workers make. You want to look at how expensive it is to live there, or what is the cost of living. And then you want to look at the job opportunities, because sometimes places that are amazing simply don't have any opportunities. So here are the best overall cities for physical therapists: Sherman-Denison, Texas; Huntington, Ashland; Jacksonville, Florida; Gaston; and then Deltona Beach in Florida. That is the last part of the maximizing your earnings framework. In the next section, we're going to move on to maximizing your savings to complete this whole picture and really enable you to conquer your debt in only several years. So I'll see you there.